So the first problem we had for this project was the number 18. And well, you first start writing the limit of x approaching to number 2 of radical of x plus 7 minus 3 over x minus 2. And well, you need to substitute the number 2 we have of x approaching to number 2 on the bottom and on the top, and it will give on the bottom part a number 0, and that's why we need to continue the problem by simplifying on definition. So first you write the problem of radical x plus 7 minus 3 over x minus 2, and you multiply it by the radical x plus 7 plus 3 over the same number. You're multiplying by the same radical because you want to cancel it. So now you will need to make FOIL in the top part, which it will give you, well, you cancel the radicals, and the negative 3 times positive 3, it will give you a negative 9. And in the bottom part you will leave it like that, x minus 2 times radical x plus 7 plus 3. So now you will need to rewrite the problem, which is, well, simplifying it, x plus 7 minus 9 over x minus 2 times radical x plus 7 plus 3. Well, simplifying the expression, it will give you a negative 2 in the top part, which is a difference of 7 minus 9. And now you rewrite the expression, which is limit of x approaching to 2. On the top part you will write x minus 2 over x minus 2 radical x plus 7 plus 3. And now you will use the like terms rule, which will cancel x minus 2 and x minus 2 on the bottom. Now you will write the problem again, which will give you the answer as 1 over radical x plus 7 plus 3. And now you will need to substitute the number 2 on the x, and it will give you a limit of x approaching to 2, 1 over radical 9 plus 3. And since you have the 9, you will simplify it and you will have a 3. Now, as a final step, you write the complete expression again, limit of x approaching to number 2, and it will give you, well, if you have 3 plus 3, it will give you 1 over 6.
Our second problem is we have to find the derivative by definition. We got the question number 56, which is f of x equals 2 over x plus 3. To find this, we had to use it by definition, which we need a formula that you have to substitute x by x plus h, and then subtract the whole expression by itself. So, as you can see, we're writing the formula. So first, what you do is you rewrite the function as limit as h approaches to 0, 2 over x plus h plus 3 minus 2 over x plus 3, and we have to all of that divided by h itself. And then next step, you have to rewrite again limit h as h approaches to 0. So what you do is you crisscross multiply. So you multiply the first expression's denominator times the second expression's numerator, and vice versa. Then all of it you divide it by h. So while multiplying everything, you'll get some like terms. On the next step you'll see that. So next step, you rewrite again limit as h approaches to 0. Also, to multiply the numerators you have to do FOIL method, So as you can see, we're gonna do FOIL method to get like terms on the numerator, and it'll give us 2x plus 6 minus 2x minus 2h minus 6 over the same denominator. You don't change that, which is x plus h plus 3 times x plus 3, and again all of it over h. Then the next step is to find the like terms and cancel them. So as you can see, we found 2x minus 2x and 6 minus 6, which leaves us with just negative 2h on the numerator. So again, you rewrite it, limit as h approaches to 0, which is going to be negative 2h over the same denominator, x plus h plus 3 times x plus 3, and then again steal everything by h. Next, what you do next is you divide both h's. You can cancel them. So next stage, you're gonna rewrite it again, limit as h approaches to 0, and you're gonna be left with negative 2 over the same denominator we've had all along the problem, which is x plus h plus 3 times x plus 3. And next thing, since we can't simplify the fraction anymore, you're gonna rewrite it again, limit as h approaches to 0, and you're gonna substitute the h's by 0. So on your final answer, you're gonna get the top part of the fraction, which is the numerator. You're gonna leave it the same, since you can't subtract it or add it by anything. So you're gonna have a negative 2, and on the bottom part you're gonna get x plus 3 times x plus 3, which simplified, it's x plus 3 squared. So your final answer is gonna be function prime of x equals negative 2 over x plus 3 squared.